Hey guys, welcome to a vlog. It's like a dog walk thing. Basically, if you don't know, I don't know why or how, basically my YouTube channel. Sorry guys, it stopped there. But yeah, basically just got hacked and deleted. And I'm really annoyed, but yeah, I'm not going to let that stop my YouTube. So I've started a new YouTube channel, same name. But for sure you can just type in my full name. Yeah, so cool. I'm just doing a nice dog walk. So yeah, just give you a nice edited video with like some nice shots. I'm just gonna look really nice. It's really nice weather today in Sheffield. So yeah, come on. Get out. Just really long way. Oh good. So yeah, that YouTube channel got deleted. So I've been recording and uploading good videos, put thumbnails on them, because I don't want to stop. Yeah, because I've been slacking a lot. But anyway, see you guys in a minute. So yeah, I'm at park now. Should be good. Sorry guys, I'm trying to hold my camera because it's windy. Not really used to vlogging outside because people looking at me thinking, why are you talking to a camera? But yeah, I'm going to be vlogging. Probably not daily vlogging, but just vlogging every couple of weeks, every 2 weeks a day. I don't know, but we're here now, so that's all good. So yeah, she's energised, she wants to go to the park. Running faster than me. But yeah, so this vlog is going to be cool. I'm just not walking now. Come on. Come on. Look at the camera. Oh. It's very cold and windy out here. So, yeah. Saving up for some YouTube, kind of like gaming stuff, because I want to do gaming videos now. Like Minecraft, Xbox, like kind of like games, like kind of like Call of Duty or something. Obviously, I'm 13 years old. Well, yeah, I'll be 14 by 24th of July. So yeah, I just went down here.